watch where you're going. We're gonna walk up a little ways. I'm gonna stop, tell you some facts that you're not gonna remember. It's gonna be awesome. And take photos for you. So, is everyone cool with that? We are about 900 feet above sea level at the moment, so I know that you guys feel like you're much higher, but you're not. That is the ocean right out there. This glacier is a receding one. It has been receding since 1750 though. So if you look behind me, or behind you guys in front of me, you can see that middle mountain out there, about a 45-degree angle. That's the farthest point this glacier used to reach. You see that it's come to the surface and it is more white or more clear. Basically, the pressure's been released, it's got air underneath it, and now all the colors of the spectrum can get absorbed. Haven't ever drank water before, so allow me to demonstrate. You know, I don't want anyone getting hurt. There's one of two ways to do this. This is the easy way. You can do this. Glacier's always moving, always changing. It's a very dynamic environment. I never get bored up here. Things are always happening. At the peak, if it's really sunny, this little stream here will rise up. We'll even get to see it. It'll be rushing much faster than it is now.
I would recommend this highly to anybody that comes here. It's just unbelievable.
I think being on the glacier was just fantastic. It was like one of my children was saying, it's like a giant slush puppy, and it was amazing being able to wander around on it. It was like a sort of totally alien landscape for everybody.